Another important aspect of understanding how code behaves is to recognize and celebrate those various of ways to write code to solve the same problem. For example, you may find that you have run out of milk and need to get some straight away. Perhaps there is a dairy around the corner where you can buy milk, or there's a supermarket which is a few kilometers away. The milk may be a bit more expensive at the dairy, but going to the supermarket may be more difficult and take longer. The final decision will probably come down to how much time you have and your budget. But yes, in programming we find the same types of situations. For example, one piece of a code may solve the same problem quicker, but another may be more accurate, even though it takes longer. And you might even solve something else at the same time. Choosing between different algorithms is often a case of deciding which advantages or disadvantages of each are most important to you. Now let's check out these two algorithms on Scratch. They both perform the same action, but which one do you think is better? The algorithm on the left explicitly lists every step, while the algorithm on the right simplifies the code by utilizing the repeat block. If you find that you are coding the same blocks over and over again, then it is often possible to replace these with a repeat block. The code on the left accomplishes the same goal, but using the repeat block will help reduce the risk of error and make the code easier to follow. Here is another example using Scratch. Let's assume that we would like to draw a circle on the screen. Here are two different algorithms to do just that. Just take a moment to see how they are different. Can you spot that? Hopefully you can see that the algorithm on the left draws a circle by moving the pen 1 pixel at a time and then turning by 1 degree, 360 times. In contrast, the algorithm on the right moves 20 pixels at the time, turns 20 degrees, and only needs to do this 18 times. And here is how the two algorithms behave when they are run. You can see that the first algorithm runs quite slowly, whereas the second runs much more quickly. But the drawing of the circle is a little less accurate. When you are writing your own code, there is no single right answer to solving a problem. There are many different ways of coding one solution. It is up to you to choose the one that you think best solves the problem. The one is the most suitable, efficient, and hopefully sustainable of them all.